Hi everyone, October is here and I cannot believe that we've completed 3 entire months of Double Bubble. 3 months of forming this association with each other and helping our little ones learn. And the most rewarding part about this experience has been them, the children, their responses, their learning, their understanding, and they've taught us so much as well. This month we're going to be teaching our little ones about their body parts, and in the second half of the month we'll teach them about plants, trees and flowers. But before we start off with this month, the first 2 days of the month, that is Thursday and Friday, we'll be revising with our little ones. In today's activity, we'll help our little ones revise the learning from the first month about their name. Like we told you before, for a child, their name is just mere shapes. So in today's activity, we're going to take it a step further. We've sent you an envelope along with a slip that has a child's name on it in the box. We'll be using these two to help the child learn how to form their name by putting the alphabets together. So let's start with the activity and see how it's done. Sadik, what are we going to do today? Today we are going to learn how to write your name. But today we are not going to write your name with a pencil or a pen or a crayon. No, we're going to make your name with foam alphabets. Okay? Now whose name is written here on this sheet?
Sadik's name.
Very good. It is Sadik's name. Now I'm going to open this kit and it has all the alphabets of your name. Okay? And you are going to make your name with this kit and the help of this. Okay? Now you have S as the first alphabet in your name. Now let's find S in this kit. Okay? Can you find the letter S?
No.
Come on. Look.
S.
Yes, this is S. Put it on this S. Come on, take it in your hand. Put it on top of this S. Very good boy.
This is
Now we have A. Very good. Yes. Put A next to it. Yes, put it. You put it. Acha, I'll do it. Now there is another A. Find the other A.
A.
Yes, put it next to the A. Put it here.
No.
Acha, I will do it. Okay, I will do it. No problems. Now find the D. S-A-A, D. Where is D? No, this is not D. Look properly. Where is D?
No. We don't have.
No. Fine, Sadik. Come on, you did so well with these 3 alphabets. Now where is D? See, straight line with a big bump. D. Big tummy. Where is D?
Big bang. Big
Where is D?
bang.
This is D. Come on, take the D. Put it on top of that D. Yes. Very good boy. Yes. Now there is an I. Very good. And then there is a Q. Sadik. Find the Q. Yes. Very good boy. Whose name is this? Sadik. Whose name is this? Yes. What is your name? Tell me, what is your name? You know it. Now you just said it. Come on, tell me, what is your name?
Sadik.
So parents, as you saw, in today's activity, we're going to help our little ones recognize their name visually. This is a revision of the activity that we done in the first month itself. Alright, we taught them how their name looks visually, and then I hope that the children now, by the end of the 3 months of constantly seeing their name, are pretty much familiar with how their name looks. So in today's activity, we're going to help them put together their name in the correct order. We've sent you cutout of the alphabets and you're going to help your little ones put the alphabets together and form their name in the correct manner. We've also sent you these sheets with the child's name written in full capital letters, which will help the child and guide the child in writing and forming their name correctly with the alphabets that we've sent. Alright? This activity will work on their hand-eye coordination and a lot of cognitive skills. So parents, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.